Hey everyone, and welcome back to my daily news X, your go-to source for what's really happening in our economy, our homes, and our daily lives. Well, I'm your host Kramer, and today we're diving into a surprising trend that is hitting close to home, literally. Homeowners across the US have decided on putting down their hammers, shelving their toolboxes, and saying, no more DIY. Stores like Home Depot and Lowe's, once the go-to spots for weekend warriors and home renovators, are now seeing their inventories crash and sales plummet. So what's behind this shift? Well, that's something that we're going to be talking about here today in this segment, and we're going to find out what's going on. So over the past few years, we have watched prices climb higher and higher, from groceries to gas, and now even home improvements supplies, like lumber, paint, flooring, tools. Everything costs more than it did just a few years ago. Inflation hasn't been kind to the average homeowner, adding a new wave of tariffs on imported materials, especially coming from China. And we're looking at a price hike on almost every nail, a screw, and a light fixture. Many homeowners are simply saying, you know what? It's not worth it. So they're putting off renovations, skipping those small upgrades, and focusing instead on just keeping up with their mortgages and utility bills. Home Depot and Lowe's have long thrived on the DIY spirit, the feeling of a pride when you fix or build something yourself. But lately, fewer people are walking through their doors. Inventories are building up, meaning products are sitting on the shelves for weeks and even months. Both retailers have reported slower sales, and it's not because people stop caring about their home. No, that's not the reason. It's because their wallets can keep up with this type of economic uncertainty. Here's a quick example I can give you. A gallon of paint that used to cost around $25 is now closer to $40. A simple bathroom remodel that might have been a $3,000 job a few years ago can easily cost you right now $6,000 or even more. So for many people, that's just not possible in today's economy. Unfortunately, it's not. So what does it mean for the homeowners? How do you maintain your home when prices are out of control and DIY feels almost impossible? Well, here's a few realistic ways to survive the slowdown without letting your home fall apart. I'm going to give you some really good tips so you can get yourself ready and prep. Number one, prioritize maintenance over renovation. That means taking care of the essentials first. For example, leaks, roof damage, insulation, and appliances. Because preventing care saves money down the road. A small repair today can prevent a thousands of dollars headache tomorrow. Number two, look for local hardware alternatives. Small, family-owned hardware stores often offer lower prices or local discounts, especially on common items. Some of them even lend out tools, helping you skip expensive equipment purchases from Home Depot or Lowe's or any other big store. Number three, reuse and recycle materials. I know, seems kind of catchy and old-fashioned, but you'll be surprised how much you can find on secondhand things like, for example, Facebook Marketplace, tools, for example. Habitat for Humanity restores, and even local swap groups often have extra tiles, lumber, or fixtures for a fraction of the retail prices in those other stores. Number four, learn smart budgeting for home care. So instead of doing big projects at once, relax, spread them out, just do once at a time. Do once a month. For example, clean gutters on October, check for seals and caulking in November, and so on. Small, consistent upkeep goes along the way. Now, there's also a bigger picture here, guys. The slowdown in DIY isn't just about money. It's about confidence in this economy. During the pandemic, millions of Americans turned to home projects because they had time and stimulus money. That's not the case right now. Between rising living costs and job uncertainty, that energy has faded away. Homeowners are being cautious, waiting to see where the economy actually lands. That doesn't mean we have lost the DIY spirit completely, because we have Christmas and November right in the corner. In fact, many are shifting to learning skills online, from YouTube tutorials to local warships to save money and still keep with their homes in shapes. So even though the big box stores are taking a hit, the heart of the DIY might just be transforming itself from spending to self-sufficiency. So to wrap this up, guys, to get this done, inflation, tariffs, and a shaky economy have slowed down the home improvements wave, leaving stores like Home Depot and Lowe's struggling to move inventory. But homeowners still have options: smart spending, local shopping, recycling materials, and learning new skills can keep up your home in a good condition without breaking the bank. Remember, a home isn't just about what you build. It's about how you care for it. Well, I'm Kramer, and this is my Daily News X. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to follow and share with your friends, family members, or neighbors. Stay smart and stay prepared, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Have yourself a great day.